Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Quantum Ideas. So today we'll be doing some SAT problems related to trigonometry, and if you are new to this channel, just subscribe it, go for it, and if you like, then hit that like button. So let's get started. So first question, let's see. If cos 40 degree is equals to A, what is sine 50 degree in terms of A? So to solve this kind of problem, we need to understand about complementary rule. Okay, so there is something called what? Complementary rule. So complementary rule says that cosine of, let's say, x degree is equals to sine of 90 degree minus x degree. Okay, and sine of x degree is equals to cosine of 90 degree minus x. Now let's use this rule. So we have given what? Cosine of 40 degree is equals to A. So we can rewrite this as cosine of what? Cosine of 90 degree minus 50 degree, right? 90 minus 50 is 40, right? Is equals to A. So what is this? Cos 90 minus x, that is cos 90 minus x is sine x. We can write sine 50 degree is equals to A. So our answer is A. So A is your answer. So let's go to next question. Since we are solving the problems related to trigonometry, so we have to use mostly Pythagoras theorem also. Let's see here. So we are given with right angle triangle ABC, where A is 90 degree. So A is there is this is 90 degree, and we have given the question, if sine x is equals to 0.25, what is the length of BC? So what is the length of BC in the triangle above? So this axis, what is the length of this BC? So here we have given the angle, reference angle is here, this is x degree, and as we know that the angle is just facing toward this direction, and this must be perpendicular, and this is base, and the longest remaining side will be our hypotenuse, or the side opposite to this 90 degree is our hypotenuse. So let's find out this hypotenuse, that is BC. So we have given that sine x is equals to 0.25, right? We know what is sine. Sine is perpendicular over hypotenuse. What is cosine? Cosine is base over hypotenuse. What is tan x? Tan x will be perpendicular over base. So is equals to 0.25 equal to what is perpendicular here? See here, perpendicular value is 3. So 3 over what is the hypotenuse is BC. So we have to find BC. Simply BC will be equals to 3 over 0.25. You can use calculator. So 3 over 0.25, and that will be your 12. So the length of this BC is 12 is your answer. So let's move to next question, number 3. Okay, again right angle triangle. In the figure above, length AV is 10. So length of AV is this is 10. Okay, this AV is 10. If the value of sine ACB, okay, reference angle is C, so you can say ACB is 0.4. So we have given sine of C is 0.4 degree. So what is length of AC? So what is the length of this? Okay, we have already said that the side opposite to this right angle, this will be hypotenuse. The side opposite to this reference angle will be perpendicular, and the remaining will be this is base, right? Wait, so the question is asking what is base, and we have given what? Sine C is equals to 0.4, and we also know the formula. Sine C will be perpendicular over hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is given 10 here, divide over hypotenuse. We have to calculate, we can calculate from here. So we have 0.4 is equal to 10 over hypotenuse. So hypotenuse will be 10 over 0.4. So you can find out 10 over 0.4, that will equals to 25. So our hypotenuse is 25, but the question is asking the base. Now we have to use what? Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Is equals to h square will be equals to p square plus b square. So what we need here? Base. Base is b, that is AC. So we have to find b square is equals to, if you p square go to other side, that becomes h square minus p square. Okay, so b square equal, what is our h? H is 25, right? So this will be 25 square minus what is p? P is 10. 10 square, just use calculator. 25 square minus 10 square, we get 5 to 5. So b square equal to 5 to 5. Just find now b is what? This is AC, right? Our base. So this will be square root of 525. This shall be equals to 5 root over 5 to 5, that is equals to 22.9. okay, so this is your answer. Okay, this is 22.91. let's say what is the unit is given or not? Okay, no. So this is your answer. So let's move to next question. Okay, h square equals p square plus b square. Yeah, that's okay. So let's move to next question. We have given that sine of 3x plus 5 degree is equal to cos of 2x minus 15 degree in a right angle triangle. What is the value of x? So again here we can use the complementary rule. What was complementary rule? Again, let's say sine of x degree is equal to cos of 90 minus x. Cos of x degree is equals to sine of 90 minus x. So to equate the both equation, at least we have to change this sine into cosine. Okay, so how can I write this as let's see. So I can write like this, sine of 3x plus 5 degree is equals to, I can write sine of, let's say, 90 degree minus 2x minus 15 degree, right? Yeah, because sine 90 minus x is cos x. Okay, x is here, 2x minus 15. So since we have a sine on both sides, we can just equate their angles. So we have 3x plus 5 is equals to 90 minus 2x, and this minus multiplied, that minus becomes plus 15. So 3x, if 2x go to that side, becomes 2x equals to 90 plus 15 minus 5, right? This is 5x and this is 90 plus 15 minus 5, that is 100. Okay, 100, and x will be 100 over 5, that is 5 to 10 0. So the x is 20 degree. Okay, we get the value of x by using the complementary rule. So let's move to last question. Okay, a right angle triangle has legs with length of 24 centimeters and 21 centimeters. Okay, so let's make a right angle triangle simply. Okay, so okay, okay, that's okay. Let me use eraser. Oh no. Okay, this is our right angle. Let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C. So right angle triangle has legs with length of, let's say, 24 centimeter. Let's say this is the 24 centimeter, and let's say this is the 21 centimeters. If the length of this triangle hypotenuse centimeter can be written in the form 3 root. So hypotenuse is in the form 3 root under d, where d is an integer. So this d is integer. Okay, integer is like number 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so then what is the value of d? So what we can do, we can simply use Pythagoras theorem, that is h square equals to p square plus b square. So we have hypotenuse here is 3 root d. So 3 root d square is equal to p square is 24 square plus base is 21 square. So this will be what? 339, d square and root is gone. So this is d is equals to, so find 24 square plus 21 square. This is simply 1017. So what will be d? Will be 1017 divided over 9. So just divide 1017 over 9. So you can simply find the answer 113. Therefore d is equal to 113 is a answer. That's the value of d, guys. Okay, so this much for today, guys. If you like this video, then subscribe it, press the bell icon, share with your friends. Okay, I will just continue to make this type of digital math tutorials. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe Quantum Ideas. Bye bye, see you.